Alright guys, so right now I'm going to the car wash. This is gonna be my first video doing it on my 2014 Ford not Mustang, Ford Focus. I had a Ford Mustang, but it only lasted 30 days, so Mustangs. Anyways, so I'm on my way to the car wash right now. We're gonna do a full detail on the car. I mean, obviously we're not gonna get deep into the detail, but I'm gonna show you how, I do my washes on a public car wash and detail interior and exterior. So yeah, I'm on my way over there right now. We're gonna see what happens after this. I brought my stand with me actually. So this is gonna be my one of my newest videos that I have made since the last time I made one. I know it's been a while. I've been busy, I've been caught up in life, but now I have time. My wife told me, now you can have time to do what you gotta do. I was like, yeah, after a year, right? So yeah, so just doing a little quick update on the 2004 Nissan Xterra. Yeah, I don't longer have the car. I don't longer own the truck. I don't longer possess the truck. But yeah, I got rid of it. I sold the truck right when I was doing an update on the transmission, flywheel, and tuning up the transmission, doing a full maintenance on it, and it's still sold it. But yeah, I'm on my way right now to the car wash to do a full detail on this 2014 Ford Focus SE. I am been doing an ST conversion with the wider body kit, which is a MK3. It's taking me a little longer than usual, but I'm almost finished. I should be done pretty soon. So yeah, going back to the 2014, 2004, I'm sorry for that, 2004 Nissan Xterra is gone. I no longer own it and none of that. I sold it to a buddy of mine. He really liked my truck. He was always bugging me to sell it to him. It was always well maintained. If I recall, the last time I had the truck, it only had 189,000 miles in the engine, something like that. I don't remember exactly how many miles, but it's one of the videos. It is one of the videos that I posted last time with the truck. But yeah, another big update coming up for my channel. I finally got GoPros. Can you believe that? I don't have to longer record through my iPhones. So I got GoPros, already. I got a few stands. So this is gonna go deeper now. This is gonna go into better video quality, better sound, better graphics. Everything's gonna be more in detail with the GoPros. Another thing, I am debating right now whether should I convert my channel into detailing, or should I convert my channel into maintenance, automotive, or should I just do like hot stuff right now? Like the hot stuff right now is flipping cars, which I'm good at. I could flip a car in less than 15 days, and sell them and take you guys with me to the process of selling the car and buying the car. So I'm debating right now. I do have a full-time job, which is almost over with that too. I just pulled into the car wash. I just want to see. Damn, they're full. Even the limousine people are here. But yeah, whether it's gonna be a good channel or not, but I gotta give it a shot. I can't, let that slide and just continue doing my regular job, my regular jobs, my regular videos, and getting few views. So I am debating on that. So as right now, I just popped up on the car wash. Um, I will be parking for sure, and then we're gonna get some coins. But